In this video, we're going to show you our top 5 things to do in North Fuerteventura. If you are enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. First up are the sand dunes of Coralo. We got up early one morning, took a flask of coffee and watched the sunrise on the beach. It was honestly amazing, really peaceful and surprisingly quiet, and there was hardly anybody around. As you can see, we sent the drone up and the pictures we got were absolutely stunning. This is one of the most beautiful spots that we visited on the island. Next up is a day trip to Betton Curia, but first we stopped at Miridor, Demoro Veloca viewpoint for more stunning views, and as you can see, we weren't disappointed. When we got to Betton Curia, we put the drone up again, and as you can see, we got even more stunning footage. Betton Curia is steeped in history, and it was actually the capital city of Fuerteventura once upon a time. This place felt completely different to the coastal areas, much more quieter and much more traditional. We stumbled upon this quaint church of Santa Maria. We finished the day at a tapas bar, La Sombra, for some food, and this was absolutely beautiful, reasonably priced. We weren't disappointed and would definitely recommend anybody travelling to Betton Curia to visit this place for some stunning scenery and some stunning food. Next up is Calderon, Hondo. We drove up there, a lovely drive, and then hiked up to the top, where we got some more incredible views and some more fantastic drone footage of the crater. It was fairly busy when we got there. This was mid-morning, but we still think it's well worth the effort. On the way back, we even fed the chipmunks, which was a bit of a highlight. If you are going to visit the crater, please remember to pack some sensible shoes, as the ground can be uneven and it is hard going on the feet. Another early start took us to the natural swimming pool at Kleta de Fuste. When we arrived, it was really quiet, but it did start to get busy as the sun came up. Lisa did manage to have a quick swim before the crowds arrived, although the water was definitely colder than it looked. And finally, at number 5, one place we completely stumbled across was Quivers de los Estanos. These underground caves was such a great surprise and something we hadn't planned at all. Definitely one of those unexpected highlights of the trip. So there you have it, 5 of our best things to do in North Fuerteventura. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Watch out for our next video where we'll be exploring the south and giving an honest review if we go back. Thanks for watching.